Today my presentation topic is about BODMAS rule, and in this video we talk about BODMAS rule. We have done DMAS rule in our earlier classes. So by adding some changes in DMAS rule, like by adding P and O before DMAS rule. BODMAS rule is help us to find the sequence of operation which we have to perform by solving any expression. BODMAS rule is actually short form of this. P represents bracket. There are so many types of bracket. Bar bracket, round bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. Like this. O represents order or off. Like this. D represents divide. M represents multiply. A represents addition. And S represents subtract. So move on definition. BODMAS rule is defined as when solving the mathematical problem including division, subtraction, multiplication and division with brackets or without brackets, we must choose an order of operation. This order of operation is known as BODMAS rule. So move on examples. We discuss the BODMAS rule with the help of examples. Here we have some examples. Let's discuss the example number 1. I solve this example with the help of BODMAS rule. First of all, we solve round bracket according to BODMAS rule and we get 4. Secondly, we solve curly bracket, then square bracket, and then add them. So we get answer. Move on example number 2. In this example, we solve first of all round bracket according to BODMAS rule. In round bracket, we have power of 5. The power of 5 is 2. So first of all, we solve power of 5, that is 2, and we get 25. After solving the round bracket, we solve division according to BODMAS rule, and after division we apply multiplication, and after multiplication we do addition, and at the last we do subtract and we get answer. Till there is any problem, you can ask me questions, and thanks for paying attention.